Hi Virgos, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to do your reading from 3rd of August to 9th of August, and we'll see what are the guidance messages for you for the coming week. Alright, so let's see what does the tarot have for you, for my Virgos please. And for those who are new to my channel, a warm welcome to you all. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please consider subscribing and hit the bell notification icon as well, so that you will be able to get updated about my latest videos. Alright, so and yes, as you all know, this is a general reading. It might or might not resonate with all of you. Alright, so let's move towards our tarot now. Let's see what does my Virgo have. And before I was doing free shuffling, I actually got 5 of Swords and Knight of Cups with that. I don't know why, but I'm getting a feeling that there is an issue which is actually coming up again and again in your love life. Might be a new person with whom you are meeting, or might be someone whom you already love, but the people around you, they're not actually liking it. You know, it's not a problem with the person you love, it's more of a problem with the people who are actually around you. So let's see now what is happening in your life from my Virgos please. Let's see. All right, okay. Love is all over the place with the King of Swords as your overall energy. Okay. Are you a problem over here, Virgo, or is this person a problem? Because I'm seeing a lot of love is there. With a lot of love, a lot of issues are also coming up in your life, and you know, you might be fighting with these issues, but at the same time, I'm seeing that you are not going to give up. You are not giving up in any such situation. You are in a state where you don't hear to bullshit. You don't deal bullshit. You are in that place with the King of Swords where, you know, if you really want to take up a fight, come and let's have a fight then. You are in that strong energy, I'm seeing. Okay, so in your past energies, you have Page of Rods, Queen of Cups, and Two of Swords. I'm seeing for some people there was a confusion. You are in a state where you should choose emotions, or you should choose your passion. Okay, so this emotion cannot be just with your lover or someone. This emotion actually comes with your family as well, your children, your family, yourself as well. But this is a new passion also, because you have got a Queen of Cups and Page of Rods, which are actually not in the same page, but the cards were like this. So basically you are looking towards, you know, it's like this is looking towards the Page of Rods, and Page of Rods looking towards the Queen of Cups as well. So it's like you are actually looking towards your family plus your passion as well. For something you are actually, you feel excited when it comes to you. So there is something, but there is some kind of indecisiveness. We'll clarify what is this problem. Okay, so in your present energies, you have 5 of Wands, the Emperor, and King of Cups. Yeah, it's like that, you know, you have to deal with something before reaching to a certain level. With this 5 of Wands and the Emperor, see how this Emperor is looking towards this 5 of Wands, and he is in a state where, you know, he is looking more towards the negative rather than the positive. With this King of Cups, it is the positive, it is the love, but this Emperor's attention is all towards the conflicts right now. So this person is not looking towards the love issue or love basically, but right now the conflicts are really important for you or for the other person, might be because you have got the King of Cups and Queen of Cups in your reading. So love is there. Might be dealing with a Scorpio or Aries or Cancer over here. Alright, so your future cards are telling me that the cards are 7 of Pentacles, 8 of Swords and 2 of Cups. If you really want to come to this stage or this side of 2 of Cups, there is a lot of weight and there are a lot of issues which you have to deal with. Then you will get something. You have to just deal with your own karma. Then you have to deal with all the process, the issues, the conflicts, the waiting, the problems which are arising, new problems arising daily and daily. So then only you will meet the person whom you are actually waiting for. Okay, let's clarify now. Let's see what is this King of Swords in your overall reading. King of Swords, please. What is this King of Swords telling us? What is this King of Swords in the overall energy for my Virgos? Alright. Page of Pentacles and Ace of Wands. Somebody over here is feeling really passionate, feeling very excited about some new beginnings in his or her life. I'm sensing it's you. There are how to say this? It's in your mind, like, oh, I'm going to do this, I'm going to do that, I'll go here, I'll go there, and you are actually really excited about these new beginnings. Because with the Page of Pentacles, it is kind of telling me that you have become a person, a child again. You are becoming, and you are ready to explore new things. You are again ready, no matter how much older you are, but you are actually getting excited about little things in your life. You have a lot of things in your mind and you want to enjoy every second of your life with this person. And for others as well, whether you are in a relationship or not, it doesn't matter to you, because your exciting energy is coming on the surface and you are feeling every second that you have to enjoy. You are dealing with that kind of energy right now. Okay, let's see what is this Page of Rods in your past. Page of Rods, please. What is that Page of Rods? So many cards. Alright. What is this Page of Cards? Page of Rods. Knight of Cups we got. And what else? And Two of Wands. So more of confusion. It's that energy where actually it's very normal, because you are in that stage where actually you are if you are more than if you're more than 30 or something, you really want to become in your teens, when you feel like when you were 15 or you were 18 or in your 20s even, when you were very excited that okay, what is love, what exactly love is, how does it feel when we are in love, you really want. I'm seeing that you are so passionate, you actually want to be someone you want to love, plus you really want that someone should love you the same kind of attraction, the same kind of spark actually. So that is what you are experiencing. But with this Two of Wands, it's like that, is it right? Am I doing everything. Is it fine if I'm doing it right now? Is it fine? So that is some kind of problem in you which is coming again and again, but it's more because of this Queen of Cups. I'm seeing that you're really emotional. You are actually feeling that you're going, your emotions are taking you towards that attracting zone, towards that zone where you really want to enjoy the little things in your life. But are these right? That is a question coming up again and again. Let's clarify this Queen of Cups over here. See, Three of Wands. It's like you want to do this thing, but how? Are you waiting for someone so that he or she will just grab your hand and he or she will take you to some place where you actually, wherever you want to explore? Because I'm looking towards you as, from your face you are just a King of Swords over, like this person. It's more like you are showing that I'm so mature, I'm this, I'm that, but deep inside your heart you are feeling that I really want to enjoy my life again. I really want to just start something new. Why can't I do at this age? Why? I'm not old enough. I'm doing, everyone is doing their work, everyone is enjoying his or her life, so why not me? So that is something which is coming again and again. But I'm seeing that you are waiting for someone who will actually come towards you and just grab your hand and will take you towards that place where you want to go. Let's see this Two of Swords. Alright. See, you are getting, your past energies are more of a Page and Knight, because I got the Page of Cups over here. You really want to just reply to that love message which you just got. You just really want to go into that deep love life again, where this, I'm looking towards your past energies, might be your present as well right now, but yeah. And you got the Death and Queen of Pentacles. But your emotions just don't let you do that kind of a duty with the Queen of Pentacles. I don't know why I'm getting that sense over here that there's a duty that you have to deal with. You have to deal with your children, you have to deal with your parents, you have to deal with your work, and then only you can go towards that spark which is actually calling you. Your heart is talking something else and your mind is actually saying something else over here. You really want to end everything right now. With this Death card, a very different energies are coming towards me today. Okay, so let's see what is, see, Four of Wands over here. A lot of happiness. You are looking towards something very, good things are coming your way actually. Alright, so let's see this Five of Wands in your present. What is this Five of Wands? Five of Pentacles. Yeah, I hear you. There is some kind of emptiness in your life, and you know that. You know that emptiness, that conflicts, that emptiness in your life. You are looking towards those emptiness only. You are just, I wasted my life. I'm just here. I'm serving my kids. I'm doing what I'm doing. Is there anything which I'm doing right now, so which is actually benefiting yourself? No. Let's see the Emperor. The Strength. Okay, so Six of Pentacles. Yes. So you are, because after Five of Pentacles is the Six of Pentacles. Now that emptiness, you actually want this thing to happen. With the Six of Pentacles, I have given a lot of love to many people in my life. Now it's my turn. I really need some love. I also need some respect in my life. That is what you are craving for, because of the Strength card, you are really, that you really deserve this love. That you deserve love, you deserve respect, you deserve everything, every happiness in your life. But what about this emptiness? How to overcome this thing? You are thinking deeply daily that what to do, because with the Emperor card, Emperor is that kind of a card where, you know, you are feeling like a father figure, where I really have to deal with these problems first, then only I will explore something new. That kind of things are coming, those kind of thoughts are coming in your mind. Let's see this King of Cups over here. King of Cups, please. Two of Pentacles. And what else do we have? King of Cups and Two of Pentacles. Three of Pentacles and Page of Wands. So many pages are coming. I'm just getting with seeing a lot of pages over here. I'm getting that idea. You just really want to be a kid again. You really want to explore the new things. You want to explore the new life. You want to explore the new love, what it means like to receive a message from a loved one and then replying, texting, and calling daily, and late night talks. So these kind of excitement is actually giving you a lot of spark in you. Alright, so with the King of Cups, and we got Two of Pentacles with Three of Pentacles and Page of Wands, you are in the middle of something. You know that, you realize that deep down, that if I really want to enter in this new relationship, I really want to enjoy the way I really want to enjoy, if you really want, you are seeing a lot of people, they're having their love life and they're very happy. So if I really want to be happy like this, I really have to deal with the problems, with the issues which are coming up again and again with this Two of Pentacles. It's like, you are just in the middle of a place where again one problem comes and another problem comes. So you are in the middle of two issues that they are coming again and again, and you really want to fix these issues. Then only you are thinking to proceed further. So let's see what is this Page of Pentacles. You got a lot of Pentacles, Virgo. Well, I don't blame you, it's you only. Judgment. Same Seven of Pentacles with Judgment. What else do we have over here in your future? With the Nine of Swords. Alright. What is this? Yeah, I got it. Okay, so these three cards, they are really strong. A strong message is coming up, which means that really, I'm really sorry for this message, but there are karmic imbalances in everyone's life, and that is what the universe is telling you. With the Judgment card, it's a decision which will happen. A decision will be made sometime, someday. It will take some time. With the Seven of Pentacles, all you need to be is patient. Be patient. Just learn from your lessons. Try to learn from everything. Whatever is happening around you, learn, and then only it will happen. Because I'm really sorry to say, but it's not over yet. Those issues, those conflicts with which you are dealing with, they are not over yet. They might make you more worried. You might get more fearful, but at the end, what is there at the end? You have to go to this process. I just told you in the beginning as well. You have to go through this process to come to this Two of Cups finally. And when you will achieve this place, achieve this position, you will come over here. No one can take it back. But before that, there are some processes which are going on, and it's not because you are doing anything. No, it's from the universe. The fate has decided this thing. That is why it is actually happening with you. Alright, so I'll just clarify this Two of Cups also again. Let's see what else do we have. Five of Cups. Yes, See, this person is actually looking towards this three of cups, but these two of cups, these are those two of cups which are actually this person is not seeing. This is a very beautiful message that if you are actually sad right now, don't be, because there are two of cups over here which are actually, you know, you will get at the time when you actually you will deserve this. Whenever you are deserving this, it will come to you. This two of cups is coming, is on its way. All right, so let's see what the universe has, what any other advices for my Virgos from the universe, please. All right, so let's see advice from the universe for my Virgos. Okay. One shuffle. Alright, so I got two cards, the Fool and the Magician. You got Queen of Rods, Seven of Cups, the Fool and the Magician. So the universe is telling you that you are, whatever you are doing, you are going through a process. With the Seven of Cups, your mind is full of things right now, you know, but you are dealing with like a Queen of Rods deal with the situation. Queen of Rods is someone who just knows her you know, her potential. She knows everything, how to deal with every situation. That is what the universe is also telling you, that you might be dealing with a lot of situations over here, with a lot of problems, your family issues, your career, your job, your children, your families, whatever. There are many things in your life, but you are dealing with like a Queen of Wands. She doesn't give a crap to anything. She enjoys life fully. Whatever is coming her way, she just, you know, deals with everything and very nicely, because she is very confident about herself. That is how you are dealing with every situation. You have all the equipments with you. See this Magician, he has the pentacles, the sword, the cup, the wand, everything. So as above so below, that kind of an mindset you have. So look at this Magician, how is he pointing towards the sky and towards the ground as well. So you know that you're not going to fly just like that. So whatever is there, you will get that thing. You have that confidence. And then with the Fool, you will be ready at the perfect timing to start your new journey. It will come to you by the universe. Alright Virgos, I hope it helps, and we'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.